This is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password or the Wi-Fi network itself on this device. So to begin with, swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar, open the control center, find the shortcut or tile that is responsible for the Wi-Fi, then touch and hold onto it. Then, in front of a network that you wanted to share with your friends or some other people, doesn't matter at this point, tap at the cog icon. At the following page, click at the QR code, and in here you'll be provided with a QR code that can be further used to get yourself or anyone who will scan it automatically connected to the Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.